Hello everyone, greetings from PayTap's technical support team. In this series, you are going to learn everything you need to integrate PayTap's Drupal plugin into your Drupal store. Throughout the series, we will walk you through the 7 steps you need to fully understand and integrate the plugin. And now, let's get started. In this video, we are going to move to the next part of step 1, which is actually setting up and activating the plugin. So let's move forward. The first thing you need to know is that you can find the full documentation for this step inside PayTap support portal under the article called the Drupal Plugin Integration Manual. Now, let's get started. From the integration manual over here, you should navigate to step 1, and from step 1 you will find part 3, set up, activate and upgrade the integration method. In this part, we are going to learn how we can install and activate the plugin, how we can upgrade the plugin, and how we can uninstall the plugin. You can check the next couple of videos that will guide you through all of these steps in a detailed solution article along with details video that had the steps to do all of these parts. So let's move forward.